What's up? Yeah.
See you.
Good to see you too. What's up? Just met up with Jeff. We're gonna go grab some breakfast and then suss out the location. So.
When I ride like boards with really like weak grip tape, like the Booster board for instance, has pretty like, at least the older ones, I haven't tried the new ones, but when I'm riding that, like my ankles start hurting because I'm like, I can tell I'm like putting effort into my feet to like hold them on the board. Whereas like the super rough grip tape that you guys are using is just lost my foot in, I love it.
Scooter.
Ron, you just want to ride to like water skis?
No. Alright, so we're just on our way to Venice Beach. So we're just out here in Venice Beach. Jeff's just carving it up because he's missing his usual rides. But yeah, we're gonna do some demos, show off the boards. We got 3 Raptors today.
It's gonna be a good day. It feels friggin' amazing out here.
Yeah.
It's so warm. It's a perfect day.
What do you think, man? You like it?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, cool.
Thank you very much.
Have a good one, man. You too.
So this is the stator of the new motors. You can see it's just a shit ton of copper.
Hey, you made the Unity.
Yeah.
Hey, Ron.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Merchant. Hi, Merchant.
How are you? So I designed this bad boy.
You did?
Yeah.
You're an electrical engineer?
Yeah, it's a single-sided design, yeah. And then there's like a thermal pad underneath there, so all the heat gets sucked down out the bottom. And then, yeah, additionally, there are 2 thermal pads on top of these just for some extra cooling. Probably the smoothest.
Go for it, man.
No belts. And then
They're nice. Like I was looking at this.
Yeah.
They're really nice. Yeah.
Yeah, no belts. A little bit more of a stealth kind of look, you know. Ooh.
Yeah.
This thing has a ton of power. And I get to do this too, so. Yeah.
Oh, you got the pop box in there? Nice.
It's much quieter than mine.
Rowan,
Rowan?
nice to meet you.
Yessie.
Nice to meet
Nice to
you.
meet you too, man. This looks amazing. These things are crazy. Is this it?
This is it,
the
man.
Raptor?
This is it, yeah. Yeah. Like literally.
This is it, huh?
This is it.
This is crazy. It's so big.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Are they double motors?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a dual motor, man.
Oh, that's really smooth.
Yeah.
I think the last time I was on a skateboard was 1980. It's good. Feels really good.
Yeah.
Yeah,
good,
it's
man.
easy to ride. A lot easier than my.
This is the craziest thing I've ever ridden. Yo, this is not a skateboard anymore. This is a real vehicle.
Yeah.
That thing, the force that pushes you.
Yeah.
Yo, what's the top speed on it?
Miles, it's like 30.
Per hour?
Yeah.
Whoa.
25.
Oh my gosh. Here, I'm putting it in slow mode for the next user.
First of all, just thank you all for coming out. You know, it's good for the e-skate community and yeah, it's really good to see you guys out here.
The key here is like, we're all about like not having a weak link in the board system, okay? So I think a lot of other boards, they run into that problem where they don't have a good balance between the power delivery of each of their components. And here, every single component is primed and ready to be delivering power. Not only that, but we have a really strong focus on range. So it's not like with a gasoline car, right? Like if you get a Mustang with a giant engine, you're gonna actually get worse mileage, right? Because the car is heavy and it slows you down. In electric skateboard, the bigger motors you have, the more copper you have, the lower the winding resistance. It means you get more efficiency and you get more range and more power. So it's a win-win essentially. The only downside is the weight, which is probably the Raptor 2's biggest weakness, but honestly, it's meant to be ridden, not carried. So if you're riding it, you're not even gonna notice it because it's so powerful. I ride this thing every day to commute to work and I just absolutely love it. It's changed my life for the better. and I like couldn't recommend a product more to people. It's a little expensive, but I think it's worth the money.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I could smoke anyone with this thing, and you feel it too. You really feel it.
Yeah.
That's why
It's real nice.
Yeah, this is a perfect beach day. It's perfect. It's not too hot, not too cold.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, it's a nice spot. It's really nice. Alright, we're just leaving the pier now, just at the bottom of Venice Beach in Marina del Rey. We're gonna go back and get some drinks and finish off the ride. So, first demo event in LA is nearly down. You're good on that thing, man.
Yeah, I am.
Would you say it's like your favorite board thus far?
I would say this is by far the most exhilarating board I've used. Yeah, and
Okay.
definitely the most fun I've ever had on a board is this one. Because nothing pushes you like this thing does. It's
Yeah.
crazy.
You alright? I might have got like the end of it.
Bounce turned his board.
Yeah.
Cheers, L'chaim.
It's beyond anything, even a burger.
But yeah, we're Australia based, so
Australia?
yeah.
Cool, good
Yeah.
luck.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
Cheers. Alright, that's it. That's it for the first event. It was nice to meet you guys, by the way.
Hey, nice meeting you, man.
Yeah,
I've
sorry.
seen your face all over the videos, so it's like...
Sorry we didn't get to ride for longer, man. We gotta head off to San Francisco. Following that, the Raptor 2.1 is gonna be shipping in November. So, Model S. Woo! The LA event is done. Now we gotta get out of this car park, which is gonna be impossible. That's it, we're done. Woo! First event down.
That was actually very successful.
Yeah, I think it was too.